Setting up the connection between Shopify and Xero removes the need to manually enter your daily sales data. You begin by logging into your Xero account and navigating to the Xero App Store. Search for the Shopify integration, and you will see an official connector built by Xero. Click on the tile and select the option to get this app. You will be prompted to confirm which Xero organization you want to connect to, so make sure you have the right one selected before you proceed. The setup wizard will then redirect you to your Shopify store login page. Enter your Shopify domain and password to authorize the secure connection between the two platforms. Once you have authenticated, you need to configure your financial settings. This is the most critical step because you are telling Xero exactly how to handle the money. You must choose whether to bring sales in as summarized invoices or individual transactions. Most small businesses prefer a single daily or monthly summary invoice to avoid cluttering the bank reconciliation screen. You must also map the payment methods. Shopify allows customers to pay through Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, or Shop Pay, and Xero needs to know which bank account these funds actually land in. For each payment gateway, select the corresponding clearing account you have set up in your Xero chart of accounts. If you do not have a clearing account, we recommend creating one named Shopify Undeposited Funds to account for the time delay between a customer purchase and the bank deposit. After mapping your tax rates and shipping income accounts, complete the setup and let the first sync run. The integration will automatically pull across your historical orders and start pushing new payouts. Do not delete the automatic invoices the system creates, because they act as the source document for your reconciliation. Simply match them against your actual bank statement lines when the money arrives. If you run into duplicate contact creation or rounding errors, check the invoice status settings in the app dashboard and ensure multi-currency is correctly disabled or configured if you sell internationally.